It is Saturday, which means it is time for another Working Mom Weekly Prep. Hey guys, it has been quite a while since I filmed one of these, so I feel kind of rusty, but we're back at it, back ready for another Working Mom Weekly Prep where I take you guys along on our weekend, show you the fun and the more practical things we do during the weekend as a two-parent working family to, you know, have fun, enjoy our weekend, and get ready for the week. We have most of our Christmas decorations down. The weekend I'm filming this is the first full weekend of January. But we haven't done the Christmas tree yet. I wanted San to help me with that. I took everything else down myself. San works at 1 today, so he has most of the morning with us, which is nice. I don't know what we're doing. It's hard in the winter. It's like we want to go do fun things as a family, but unless there's something going on, there's really not much to do together in the winter. Because in the summer we can go to parks, we can, you know, go hiking, go, you know, there's all kinds of stuff to do outside and there's always events going on. But in the winter, it's like nobody wants to be out except for me because I'm stuck at home all day. The girls are actually both a little sick. I haven't been feeling the best either. I was supposed to be open 2 days as a daycare provider this past week, but I ended up having to close yesterday because Celia came into our room in the middle of the night complaining of her ears hurting. Bryony and Celia both had like the nastiness going on in their nose that showed sign of infection, and so I was like, you know if I don't take them in today, they're gonna be really bad on Saturday, and then I'm gonna be scrambling to find where to take them on the weekend. So just decided to close yesterday and take them in, and I'm glad I did because they were definitely needing some extra mom love. So they're both on antibiotics, and not something I love to give them, but they're sick so rarely that I don't know the last time they took antibiotics, probably at least over a year ago. So yeah, we're doing that and just trying to rest up. They don't have any, they don't have ear infections yet, but we were thinking they probably were going to lead to that soon, and their throats were fine, and so I'm not like worried about taking them out because they just have colds and they're feeling pretty good today. So anyway, I'm gonna be getting some stuff done this morning and we're gonna figure out what we want to do. I just made up this handy dandy really ugly chart really quickly because they take their meds 2 times a day, so that way I can keep track until they're done. Bryony's very fussy right now, but don't mind her crying in the background. But we have been changing Celia's room around. Her birthday's in February. Her bed used to be over here with the bookcases around it, but we put the bookcases here. We ended up having to get a bigger dresser to make it fit with the curtains and the window better. But I'm going to be getting new curtains that are shorter, just some light pink ones. But the goal is to, Bryony's 2, she's over 2 now, and eventually we're going to be switching her to a bed, but I think when we do that we're going to just have them share a room. So I wanted to get Celia's room ready for that, and I just wanted more space, and I just didn't really like how much of the room was taken up by her bed when it was this way, so we switched it. And I like the bookcases here better because they can access them better. When they were next to her bed, it was harder to get to. So Celia will have half of this dresser and these bins, and Bryony will have half of the dresser and these bins, and then they'll split the closet. But like this is going to be coming down. These are all mounted. This I have to do something with. I mean, everything needs to be, like I'm going to decorate it. But it's a work in progress, and I honestly just haven't been feeling up to it right now. You know, we all go in ebbs and flows of energy, and right now I just haven't had a ton, so not super focused on that right now. I want my dad to come help one day because San is always working, so it's hard to, like, I don't want to do all this by myself with 2 girls around. It's hard to get to filling in all the holes and repainting and hanging stuff. So I'm gonna probably just accumulate all the stuff I want. I think I'm gonna put some big pom-poms above their bed just to kind of fill in the space because I didn't really know how to decorate above that, so I'm gonna get some pom-poms. I kind of want to do like a gallery wall here. I'm thinking about getting them a big dollhouse, selling this one that fits Barbies because Celia's always playing with her Barbies and this dollhouse is way too small for that. I want to put some acrylic mirrors here that can't break so that they can like see themselves when they get ready and so on and so forth. So it's I also want to put a big cork board here to put all their crafts. So it's a work in progress, but we'll get there eventually. I just don't have a ton of energy for it right now. But every weekend I like to pick out their outfits for the week. I haven't done this for a couple weeks because we've been on break, but I'm going to do that right now. Our house is a 70s house. Does anybody else deal with this? Maybe it's not just an older house thing, but the girls each have one vent in their room. And if we leave it open, the rooms get super hot. And if we close it, the rooms get super cold. So there's like no middle ground of how to keep their rooms like an even temperature because at night we shut their doors. And so it either gets like a sauna in here or super cold. Anybody have any solutions for that or know what to do because it's really, really annoying. Okay, Celia likes dresses, so we do a lot of dresses with cardigans and leggings. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whoops, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And since it's been a while, I just put their clothes in this clothes sorter that has the days of the week. I put both girls' clothes in here in Celia's room so we can get them out easily in the morning. So Celia's old dresser is now in Bryony's room mounted. We did have like a IKEA cube unit. I ended up giving that to a friend from church who wanted it, and so that was easy. And so now Bryony has a dresser in here. Monday for Bryony, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All done for the week. Girls are eating breakfast. Sam's gonna go get ready. And I'm doing some laundry. Hey Bryony, where did we say we're gonna go?
Hobby.
No, not Hobby Lobby.
Caramanga.
Where are we gonna go?
What are we gonna go eat?
Yeah, Daddy.
Dobby's, and what are we gonna get?
Caramanga.
Let her answer. What are we gonna get there? Say it loud. Donuts? You don't like donuts.
What goes we do? Caramanga.
I know.
Somebody got himself a PS4 for Christmas with his birthday and Christmas money. Just got home and Cian brought in all the groceries. I didn't know if this would be interesting to you guys to know like how much we spend on groceries each week and what our meal plan is. So I thought this week I'd share it with you, and if you want me to share it more often, let me know over on our community tab, comment over there and let me know so that I will continue to do it. So if you guys followed us the last, couple months, you know that we were using and loving this Cook Once Eat All Week cookbook, and we still plan to use it a lot this year. Right now we're taking a little break just to use up a lot of the stuff we have at home and just to do something a little different for a while. Give the kids a break from it, I guess, and then we'll jump right back in. But basically this is my meal plan. If you guys are interested in my meal planner, it's on my Teachers Pay Teachers site. I'll link it below, but I plan out my whole month. I had it planned with those meals, but I decided to change it up at least for this week, maybe a couple weeks, and then probably go back to it. But I have breakfast here for daycare, so it's always like some kind of grain and then some kind of fruit. And then for lunch we're going to be doing egg cheese sandwich, tater tot hot dish, turkey roll-ups, pasta with meatballs, and then pizza. And then for suppers, tater tot hot dish, which we'll just reuse the next day, sandwiches, breakfast for supper, mac and cheese, and then either dine out or have pizza. And then here are snacks for the week. So and for groceries this week we spent $140, which is pretty darn good. So here's everything we got. A bunch of produce, watermelon, onion, bananas, apples, cucumbers, carrots, sugar snap peas, strawberries, blueberries, some salad. Then for meats we got these meatballs. I'm going to use this pre-cooked breakfast sausage on our pizza and see if the kids like it. I just don't usually have time to cook up Italian sausage, so I thought we'd try that. Plus one of my daycare kids doesn't eat pork, so this is turkey sausage, so we'll try that. some turkey, some tortillas, we've got tater tots, eggs, these hash brown patties, a pizza crust, hummus, pancakes. I had enough of the other like bread and bagels and English muffins and stuff like that. Beef, Sian mainly eats that. Yogurt, some sliced cheese. We needed some Dixie cups up in the bathroom. Crackers, some mac and cheese. We've got marinara, pizza sauce, cream of mushroom soup, and then milk. So we did really well on our grocery budget this week. I'm really excited about that. That also included a big pack, like the biggest size you can get, box of fragrance-free wipes from Walmart. So definitely did really well with our grocery budget this week. Girls had lunch a little while ago. Celia is just playing during nap. Bryony's down. San just went to work. And I'm just gonna get a few things done and then we're gonna go to my parents. She's color changing all her LOLs. She got like, I don't know, 12 new ones over Christmas. Because my mom got her like a giant pack of them. Yes.
Uptown, downtown.
Yep, this like pack of like 70 different things you open. So pretty cool.
And this one I got for Christmas too.
Yeah. Celia is upstairs cleaning up the stuff she can put away. Got their snack ready. It's one of their favorites, pretzels and hummus. Got our list ready for what we need to do tomorrow. Got their medicine for round 2, and then they're gonna eat this, and then we're gonna head to my parents. What did you say about the pizza?
No, I'll be one to motion.
What? I thought you were saying not everyone eats pizza.
No, my beach pizza.
What?
No beach, no pizza, everyone.
No pizza for everyone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Everyone
Thank you for clearing that up. What does that mean?
No, everyone.
Not everybody likes pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, that's probably true.
Yes! Yes! Yeah! Go!
Are you building? Just got home and laid the girls down. It's almost 8 right now. San is working pretty late tonight because I think they have a dinner they're putting out at like 9. But I'm going to go to bed, lay in bed. I'm going to finish The Slight Edge. If you didn't know, I started a book club on Facebook. It is not too late to join ever, but we are currently reading The Slight Edge. I'm trying to be like almost a month ahead so I can get all the posts up and everything. So I just need to finish this. I've read it before, but it's an amazing book. And then our next book is for February is Stretch Too Thin. So I'm going to start reading that so I can get all the posts ready in advance for that. But by the time this goes up, we're only a week in, so it's definitely not too late to start at any time. So look for the link below to join the book club. Little cuddle bugs watching their Sunday morning cartoons. The girls of our family are ready for church, including me. San just shaved his hair and showered and is getting ready, and we're about to leave in about 20 minutes. So church went well. We have been home for an hour and a half now. It's almost 1. Gave the girls lunch. I don't know what it is about Sundays, but they're usually just tough to be around after church. I don't know what it is, but so they are both napping. San just helped me film a video in the daycare room, a daycare tour, so look for that video coming out soon. And he meal prepped. The only thing he made is a tater tot hot dish, which is in the oven right now. So that's gonna take a while to bake, but we can cross some stuff off our list. So tater tot hot dish, daycare tour, and then I need to film the planner video. He's making some burgers right now for his lunch, but make the planner video, and then he's gonna take the tree down, and then we need to talk our budget and our week. Okay, just filmed that, and now San is gonna take the tree down. Miss Silly Sue is up from nap, and San is taking on the Christmas tree. Where'd the Christmas tree go, Bug?
I'm here.
How do you feel?
Sad and blue.
You feel sad?
And here.
Yeah, we're not getting it back out, love.
I want it.
This girl cried for like an hour when I took down her tree in her room. I felt so bad. I didn't know she'd be so upset about it. It's all done, honey, till next year.
I want it.
And just like that, Christmas has left our house. It's sad, but it's felt over for a while now. So I'm just happy to get our home back and our living room put back together. So it's just me and Bryony now. Celia and San are going to a dance class because San is going to be dancing in a daddy-daughter dance with her next Sunday at her recital. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I will hopefully get some good footage of it that I can share because it's going to be so funny and so cute, and I'm just so glad he's doing it with her because these are the things she'll remember. And so Bryony's helping me with laundry. I really want spaghetti and meatballs tonight. I just have a hankering for it. And Walmart forgot to put our egg noodles. They forgot egg noodles in our order, so we have no pasta. So we're gonna run to the store to get some spaghetti, hopefully. Yes, that's yours. But we're gonna put some laundry away. I already vacuumed after we put the Christmas tree away because it's flocked and it just gets little fake snow everywhere. So is this how you do laundry? You just throw it everywhere? Oh, thank you. I like your technique. I wish that really worked. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Okay, we went and got our pasta, so I'm just made spaghetti and meatballs with strawberries and corn. I'm not a big fruit person, but Celia will be home around 6 with San. So San said he'll just eat when the girls go to bed. And I made Celia up a plate. I'll just reheat it and then cut up some strawberries for her when she gets home. How did the dance class go?
Great.
Great. Got home early.
Yeah, she said it wasn't going to take that long, and it was only like maybe an hour.
Yeah, so we just ate. San eats different stuff than us, so he's making his supper. The girls are, can you show me how you launch it, Seals?
Sure, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Okay, ready? Okay, Bryony, set it up. Okay, go to the other side. No, just wait. Okay, set it up. And then stand on the other side. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! We're launching the Paw Patrol pups. Living room is tidy. Girls are in bed. Sam's finishing up tidying the kitchen. One thing I've been doing now Sunday nights, or trying to do every night, is getting the stuff laid out for the morning. So like normally every morning I'm just scrambling to get all the daycare stuff ready, get all the girls stuff ready, because Celia drinks her hot tea, which is just warmed up milk. It's just what we've done since she was like 2. And Brian, they both drink their juice, which has like vitamins in it. And they color a Bible picture and then watch like a Bible story. And then I always run around and get all the daycare stuff out on the table, so when they come up they can start coloring right away. And just, it's a lot. And thankfully I don't have to make Celia's lunch for tomorrow because she likes the hot lunch. It's pancakes at school, so that's helpful. But I want to just like run around and do all that stuff now when I'm not on a time crunch, and that way it's done in the morning. So I've been trying to do that every night just to save time. Well guys, that was our day. I think I forgot to mention we gave the girls a bath, but we did. So that was our weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed. Back for our weekly prep. We have some fun stuff coming up. We've got San and the recital next weekend. We've got a little weekend getaway that's coming up. We'll film. And like Celia's birthday party coming up. So got some fun stuff as well as practical stuff. But I hope you guys are having a great start to your new year. I'd love to know what's something new you're implementing in your weekend or in your day. I am trying to read for 10 minutes before I watch a show at night. And then I usually fall asleep like right after that. So I'm trying to read before that so that I can get some extra reading in. But it's hard to motivate myself to do that at night. So let me know what you are changing about your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.